Hey, it's Gianta here, and if you're watching this video right now, then you have an interest in high-ticket affiliate marketing, or maybe you come across one of Dan Korsby's high-ticket affiliate marketing coaching programs, and you're wondering if it is right for you, you're wondering if it is legitimate or if it's a scam, you're wondering if you could get results with high-ticket affiliate marketing. So let's get into it in this video. So what he promises you right here is how he actually built a system that generated $500 a day using automated AI to replace your 9 to 5 and give you a full-time income. At least that's what he claims. And it's all with Facebook video, Facebook profits, and AI, right? So AI is a basis of this course right here, and it's all faceless. He has a really nice sales page. It's really nicely laid out, so it gives you everything that he actually does in the business. So you're going to learn how to use AI tools and how to build your business and how to generate $1,000 per sale. And he's saying you don't have to create any kind of store or create anything to do that. You just promote what's already existing, and you have flexibility, and it requires 30 minutes a day to actually do, and you can do it from anywhere, and you don't have to do expensive ads or tools or hiring a team or anything like that. At least that's what he claims. Now, I'm going to let you know the truth about this. He says 90% automated. One of the things about this is if you do buy into something like this, you're going to still have to learn how to generate traffic. You're going to have to put the system together. You're going to have to put the components together. And, in order to make $1,000 sales, it's not going to be completely automated, especially being 30 minutes per day, right? It's going to be a lot more than that. Typically, the way this is set up is whenever you're actually going out there making sales, typically there are systems in place for people to close deals for you. So that's how high ticket affiliate marketing offers normally are set up to do. So you get started with this for $17 and start using the system, and he shows you how to actually do it. So this is what this shows you, right? But again, he's the one that creates the product. So anybody who creates a product, if you look at any top producer online, they're always the ones that are creating the product, that are giving the product to other people. So what top producers actually do to make money online is they're the ones creating the systems and giving the coaching to people who need the help, right? Who need the support. So this is actually how he actually does it. So he creates his own products. And if you want to know how to do that, we could get into it in this video as well. So here's what he actually says. And, all this stuff right here is the problems that a lot of people go through, right? So here's some of the problems that people actually deal with. And he's claiming to be the solution to that. And so here's how he goes from the problem to the solution. And a lot of stuff when it comes to setting up systems and things like that, he'll have you set up the system. But the thing about fully automated systems is that means you get no support. So you set up the system and it's automated, which means you're all left alone when it comes to learning how to do this. And even though he says that some of it's automated, the problem could still be that you get stuck in tech, right? And then when you get stuck in tech, one of the things you could come across is, okay, you need to get traffic. You want to know how to build your business. And it's done for you, like what he said. The system is fully automated, and the videos generate traffic. At least that's what he says. But when it comes down to it, putting all this together is very complicated. And if you're somebody that's not very techy, you're not very technically inclined, it's going to be a lot of work for you to be able to put this together. And you're really going to get no support, right? So he actually has a really good sales page right here, and I'm impressed by his product and his sales page. So, um, here's basically what he shows you. He's claiming you could work 30 to 45 minutes per day, and that's not necessarily true. It's going to be a whole lot more than that. That's something that I can promise you. You have to actually learn how to do it the right way. And on the outside, it's $17 to get in, but there's upsells. So once you get in, you're going to have to buy into high ticket coaching. So he's claiming to show you step by step how to easily sell online and make products that pay $200 to $2,000 per commission, right? So he does affiliate marketing. He actually started off with Warrior Plus, so that's where he started from. But he was making very small commissions, so then he transitioned into high ticket affiliate marketing instead of low ticket affiliate marketing. And he's pretty much doing the process right here. And he's claiming that you can make faceless video and let the faceless video create all the traffic for you. So making your first $1,000 per month is what he wants to do, right? Or first $1,000, right? So, he's claiming that you work no more than an hour a day. Now, if you really believe that you can work an hour a day or less on business with doing nothing, then you've been sold a dream, right? I'm going to let you know that the stuff that you learn in this course, it will work, but it will only work for people who actually put in the work and who are actually willing to do the work. If you believe all the stuff on this page, then you're being fooled, right? Because it's not true. You can't just put a system together and have it do all the work for you. It's going to actually take work that does take building out the pages, building out the funnels, connecting everything together, learning how to get traffic. Now, if you're somebody who wants high quality traffic, then come over here to profitbuilderstraffic.com, and this is my traffic store, and I help people to make sales with high quality traffic. And if you're watching this video right now and the store looks like it does, then you're in luck, because it's right before I go to change and revamp this whole store. My whole goal with this store is to revamp it, give people better quality, give people the highest quality possible, and it's going to be catered towards high ticket affiliate marketers or high ticket marketers in general, right? So if you have an affiliate marketing offer or a network marketing offer and you're trying to actually increase your results, then this traffic is going to actually help you to do that. And why you should get traffic from me is because traffic is very important to the offers that you're promoting, and you want to get targeted traffic, and you want to make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent to your offer, and most importantly, that the traffic has to be high quality from a high quality source, right? And I learned the hard way because I was $87,000 in debt and nobody would help me, and I had to actually learn this myself, and I had to hire coaches, and that's what actually brought me to the $87,000. So not only was I buying traffic blindly, trying to get traffic to these offers blindly, I was also getting coaching, and it landed me $87,000 in debt. Now, I don't want that from you. I want to be able to help you so you don't have to spend $87,000 on any coaching, so you don't have to spend so much money trying to figure this all out on your own. And when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic. And the reason why you should get traffic from me is because I help you to set up and manage your funnel and your offers. I give you my highest converting pages that convert for my clients up to 85% opt-in rate. And I help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rates, because it's very important whenever you have any traffic go into a funnel is knowing your stats. And I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer, right? Because if they don't want what you have to offer, they don't respond, they don't engage, then your list is dead, right? So you want to build a highly engaged list. And how this actually starts is in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select your traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. Step 2 is we do a campaign review and strategy call. So I'm going to look over your campaign, I'm going to look over the funnel, and I'm going to help you to get the highest conversions possible in doing paid traffic. So paid traffic is something that you want to do. Use paid traffic in combination with free strategies also, and I give you both. And then on your campaign review and strategy call, we're able to talk about the strategies that you're going to use in your marketing to actually get results. And then after that, we do our campaign launch. So we launch your campaign after that. And here's some of the results that I've got for some of my clients. 200 clicks right here, 90% opt-in rate, and 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials here as well, so take a look at that for yourself. And here's my 90% tier 1 package right here, so check those out. Here's 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. Here's some of the questions that people ask when they go and they buy traffic, so make sure you check out these questions. And right here is my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. And if you have any questions, you can leave your questions down here and I will answer them. And if you're interested in having a system that actually converts and gets results, you could come to the second link in the description of this video, and you'll be able to get into this page. Now, what this page will allow you to do is it has your funnel builder tool, it has your emailer built in. We have a Facebook lead generator. So if you've been trying to get Facebook traffic, we're going to show you how to get Facebook traffic. So you get leads from Facebook and you're going to learn how to do that. And that's going to be automated for you when you use this system. You get 80% of every dollar that comes back to you. And what I want you to do is I want you to get into profit. That's the main goal, is to get into profit. So if you're somebody who's been struggling for many, many years, or you're just learning online, you don't have to do this on your own. So go to the second link in the description, put your information in here for the turnkey system, and you're going to learn how to create a system just like Dan had and how to actually grow it, right? So if that's something you want to do, if you want to learn how to do high ticket affiliate marketing, then click on the second link below this video, go to this page, put your information in, and you'll actually learn more about how you could automate your entire business using systems and how you can actually get results. And if you go to my traffic store, there's going to be a link below this video for that as well. And I'm looking to talk to you. I can't wait to talk to you, can't wait to hear from you, can't wait to help you to get your next results online. All right, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.